Chapter 7. How to monitor routes. Route Monitoring Introduction. The monitored route consists of the information displayed in the electronic chart area. This includes: the route is displayed with red dots. The limits of channels of each leg are displayed with solid red lines. These limits are used to detect chart alerts when you are monitoring the route. Each leg has information about planned speed shown inside a rectangle. Each leg has information about planned course to steer. In order to display charts with correctly updated situation, always remember to use current date as approved until and display date during your voyage. If your voyage lasts more than 1 week, set current date at least once per week during your voyage. How to select the route to monitor. Method 1. Instant Access Bar. In the Voyage Navigation mode, click the Route and Select buttons on the Instant Access Bar. Click a route, then click the Open button. Method 2. Selection from the route information box. Right-click the route name location in the route information box, then select Select Route to show the Select Route dialog box. Select a route, then click the Open button. How to stop monitoring a route. To stop monitoring a route, go to the Voyage Navigation mode, then click the Route and Unselect buttons. How to select what parts of a route to display. You can specify what parts of the monitored route to display. Click the DISP, SET, and symbol DISP buttons on the Instant Access Bar. How to view waypoint information. Click the Route and Route Info buttons on the Instant Access Bar to show the route information dialog box. Then click the Waypoints tab to show waypoint information. To WPT, Go button. The system chooses a next waypoint automatically. Check that the to waypoint is the desired one. The system will automatically advance to a next waypoint when you pass the to waypoint. The default to WPT is WPT1. If you desire a different one, select it here and then click the Go button. Distance item contains distance from the current position to selected waypoint. Departure will contain entry of the time the route was selected for monitoring. Actual average SPD contains the actual speed. Waypoint list. The waypoint list provides for each waypoint WPT, number, name, latitude and longitude position, ETA, planned speed, bearing and distance to leg, steering mode, rhumb line or great circle, radius, channel limit, speed max and margin. Check ETA window houses parameters for checking ETA. The arrow to the left of Check ETA collapse or display the waypoints and user chart tabs. WPT distance. Select a WPT to find the distance to that waypoint from current position. Plan field has the planned ETA to the selected waypoint. Actual field provides the actual ETA to the selected waypoint. Off plan. The time difference between planned ETA and calculated ETA to final WPT when different. The indication is prefixed with minus if earlier than planned, plus if later than planned. In the SPD Calculate field, enter speed and ETA, time and date to find the speed to use to arrive by the ETA. Suggested SPD. The system calculates suggested speed so that ETA to the final WPT would be same as planned ETA if type of optimization was timetable. Start Calculate field means click to start calculation. The button label changes to Stop Calculate. Total WPTs. Item lists the total number of waypoints in the route. Total distance is the total distance of the route. How to change monitored route to planned route. The monitored route can be transferred to the voyage planning mode. This is useful when you don't need the route for monitoring but want to edit it. To transfer the monitored route, click the Route and Move to Plan buttons on the instant access bar. Up to 5 planned routes can be shown on the display. If you try to display another route, the route list appears. Next, deselect a route in order to transfer the monitored route to the voyage planning mode.